How to find high-paying clients as a freelancer. Before we begin, make sure that you're subscribed to Freelancing Remotely today. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any news about freelancing, remote working, and earning from wherever you are. Are you an aspiring freelancer struggling to find clients online? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll share with you some of the best tips and tricks for finding clients online. As a freelancer myself, I know how difficult it can be to find clients on your own, but with these tips, you'll be able to attract high-paying clients in no time. Utilizing social media. The first step in finding clients online is to utilize social media platforms. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram are great places to start. First, create an attractive profile that showcases your skills and experience. Then, start following potential clients and interacting with their content. You can also join freelancer groups on Facebook or even create your own Facebook page to promote your services. Finding clients on freelance websites. Freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find clients online. To be successful on these websites, you need to create a profile that stands out from the crowd. Be sure to include your skills, experience, and portfolio. Start bidding on projects that match your skills and experience, and be sure to provide quality work to keep your clients coming back. Networking with other freelancers. Networking with other freelancers can be a great way to find clients online. Join freelancer groups on social media platforms and attend freelancer events in your area. You can also connect with freelancers on freelance websites. By networking with other freelancers, you can learn about new opportunities and even partner on projects, which can lead to more clients. Building a portfolio. Having a portfolio that showcases your best work is crucial in finding clients online. Be sure to include your best work and update it regularly. You can also create a website to showcase your portfolio and services. By having a professional portfolio, you'll attract high-paying clients who are looking for top-notch work. Providing excellent customer service. Finally, providing excellent customer service is key to attracting new clients and keeping them coming back. Be sure to communicate clearly and deliver projects on time. Respond to client questions and concerns in a timely manner, and be willing to make changes if needed. By providing excellent customer service, you'll create happy clients who are more likely to refer you to others. Thanks for tuning in! Make sure that you are subscribed to Freelancing Remotely today and hit the notification bell. Watch these other freelancing videos to learn more. Got questions about freelancing? Send us a message and we'll make sure to get back to you.